Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to catch.
In today's video, I will be showcasing a newly built one-bedroom apartment in Kasarani, specifically Hunters. The price of this one-bedroom apartment is 12,000 shillings. Enjoy the video.
Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's gone.
So this is how the outside of the building we'll be looking at looks like.
I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in
So the building we are showcasing today is a newly built one-bedroom apartment.
our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who
So most of the houses are vacant.
doesn't dream. So why?
And you know, the good thing about the newly built one-bedroom apartment is that you have options on which house you can move to.
Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who
So this is the first house we are showcasing.
how you always sleeping.
And we start with the washroom. I know the camera isn't as clear, but the house is so good looking. So we are looking at your kitchen. So in the washroom you have a sink inside. So this is the bedroom, and the reason it doesn't have the defined wardrobes is because the house is not yet completed. But after completion, they are going to increase the storage of your wardrobe. So this was the kitchen.
Thought that you should know I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Break my signs every time. Let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh.
So this is the second one bedroom I'm showcasing. I'll just go and showcase a few of them so that you can just get an idea from the ones I will have showcased.
I do what I want, I want, I want, I want. Hear me now, I do what I want. Are you ready now? Cause it won't be easy. Only get what you work for. Gotta go all out whenever you see me. Don't be wasting my time.
So now we go to the next house. This is how the living room looks like.
Watch me go, lose control. Is this real?
And here is the washroom.
All I feel.
So if you've noticed, the first difference between this and the other houses is that this one does not have a sink inside the washroom.
In my time, watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel, read the signs every time. Let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want.
Next is the kitchen.
I do what I want. I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me now. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel, read the signs every time. Let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. I do what I want. I do what I want.
So the major difference that is going to be in these houses is that some houses have larger kitchens and some houses have larger bedrooms. And we are done showcasing that one. Now let's go to the next house. So this one and the last one I've showcased is just similar, so we won't focus too much on it. Slight difference is just that it's a little bit smaller than the last one. So the sink of this house is outside the washroom. And this is your bedroom. So looking at it clearly, you'll see that this bedroom is larger than the bedroom we've showcased in the other house. So that is the major difference between these houses. And the only reason that it doesn't have a wardrobe is because they haven't yet placed it, because the building is not completed yet. So now let's check where you'll be hanging your clothes or the common balcony that you guys have. So though the building has not yet been completed, you can still move in some of the houses.
In the dust, I was born. To the dirt, I shall return when my eyes are closed.
The houses that haven't yet been completed are the ones that are located on the upper floors of the building.
In the shadows,
So the first floor and the second floor is complete.
when my eyes are closed.
I love the colors that have been used here. You can see how attractive it is on the outside. So this is just all the floors in general from the outside view.
Closed. In the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will over.
So next, let's look at a different house on a different floor.
My enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome, though I am not.
So the whole building contains 1 bedroom apartments, and this is the next house we'll be looking at.
Thought that you should know I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow.
That is your kitchen area.
I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah.
You'll notice that it hasn't yet been completed, considering it's on the upper floor.
Feeling alive. Watch me go. Lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Break my signs. Every
This is your washroom.
time, let's be real, be real, be real.
And finally, your bedroom.
I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want.
So a similar design of this house that is located in the ground floor is going for 10,000 Kenyan shillings, as the rest of the houses are going for 12,000 Kenyan shillings.
Got me feeling alive. Watch me go. Lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Break my signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I
So each floor has this beautiful shared balcony.
want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me now, I do what I want. Are you ready now? 'Cause it won't be
So you can hang your clothes here, or you can hang your clothes at the rooftop.
easy. Only get what you work for. Gotta go all out whenever you see me.
So as we come to the end of this video, thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers, and as you're watching the video, remember to hit that like button and subscription button.
'Cause it won't be easy. Only get what you work for. Gotta go all out whenever you see me. Don't be
You can notice that this bedroom is smaller. Now this is the difference I was talking about some bedrooms being larger than the other ones and some kitchen being larger than the other ones.
wasting my time. Watch me go. Lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Break my signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real.
That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and hit that subscription button. Bye bye. See you in the next video.
I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want.